just installing or gluing on a headliner for this truck. I got it cut to shape, and then I'm going to glue it down. Alright, we'll let it dry for about 6 or 7 minutes. When it's warm, that's plenty of time. When it's cold, you want to probably wait about 10 minutes. The key when you're doing headliners is to go low to high. So you got to push in the low spots first, and then you push in the high spots. It can feel funky sometimes, but that's just the way it is. I find wearing gloves really helps. Makes everything smoother. Alright, now it's time for the other half. Whenever there's a DIYer that's having a hard time with something, they're always like, I tried putting it on. And I'm like, did you go from the lowest point to the highest point? And they're like, it wouldn't have worked like that. I know it. It wouldn't have worked. I had to do it the other way, and there was a wrinkle. And I'm like, it's because you didn't go from the lowest point to the highest point. You gotta trust the Z axis. Like, yeah, I mean, it makes sense here, like, you gotta press down on the valley before you can get to the cliff. But that's true everywhere. Like, if there's a valley, you can't get the cliff until you have the valley. Headliner material is pretty forgiving. You can mess it up real easy, but it's otherwise pretty stable. I always wrap headliners just if possible, just to make sure that they stay